New tonight, a federal court has ruled in favor of a 20-year-old East Greenwich College student to resume a clinical cancer trial.
Neil Fachon filed suit against the FDA to continue a previously discontinued clinical trial for his incurable form of pediatric cancer.
Eyewitness News reporter Kim Kalunian has his story live now from our newsroom.
That's right. This rare form of cancer is almost always terminal, but the East Greenwich family found hope at a Texas clinic, only to be told by the FDA that their son had to stop the very treatment that could save his life.
20-year-old Neil Fachon was studying engineering at Northeastern University when he noticed his vision was blurring. But it wasn't until he began to have trouble swallowing and writing that doctors knew something else was wrong.
We suddenly had everything in our world flipped completely upside down.
Reached by phone, Neil's father, Dean Fachon, tells us doctors found a tumor in his son's brain.
Not only did he have a brain tumor, he had something called a DIPG, diffuse intrinsic pontine glioma, which meant nothing to us at the time, but then we did some research and we said, holy mackerel.
It was a terminal diagnosis. Doctors told Neil and his family that traditional cancer treatments could only be temporary fixes. Researching alternatives, the family found a clinical trial at the Brzezinski Institute in Texas. Neil packed his bags and began treatment last month. But just 11 days into the trial, the FDA pulled the plug, citing concerns about the treatment.
You're talking about a young man who doesn't have a long time to live. He's aware of the risks. He signed the papers.
The family leapt into action, working with lawyers to draft a lawsuit that would allow Neil to continue the treatment. On Tuesday, a judge granted a motion for a temporary restraining order, giving Neil the green light to begin his treatment again.
For us, it's like, it's a huge relief. It's just a huge relief.
And Dean says his son will be back at the clinic tomorrow, although he knows that this legal battle is far from over. Of course, we'll continue tracking the developments in this story. In the newsroom, Kim Kalunian, Eyewitness News.